There everyone, welcome to African Salt Film Productions, Afro Salt TV. I remain my humble self, Agbola Hamid Olusegun. As we proceed on Itan Isendale Yoruba, in episode 6 we discuss on how the king wears shoes and how the dead were separated from the living. Here in episode 7 we are going to discuss on how ÉSÚ taught the mankind how to pray for their head. According to Oduoyekumeji ẹsẹ̀ kẹjọ, it lets us to know that the wicked one and the liars are so many then in those days. But one thing about it is they don't live long. The liars and the wicked one die young as their wicked act haunts them. It says, olóòótọ́ tí ń bẹ láyé òpógún, ṣìkàṣìkà ibẹ̀ wọn ò mọ níwọ̀n ẹgbẹ̀fà, ọjọ́ ẹ̀san ò lọ títí kò járọ̀ ó dún ní. As this leads us to the story of Akapo Ọ̀rúnmìlà wants money. He wants wife and children and all goods of life. He then goes to Ọ̀rúnmìlà. Ọ̀rúnmìlà sees it as a minor thing, and he told him to go and tell ÉSÚ. ÉSÚ now told Akapo that all these things you think is matters to Ọ̀rúnmìlà isn't matter at all to him. And ÉSÚ told Akapo to tell his head all that matters to him. ÉSÚ said, whatever you need, go on your nail, hold your head and tell your head. And Akapo did it, and all he needed fell in his lap. He has money, wives, children, and all goods of life. And he started singing, dancing, rejoicing, saying, Ǹjẹ́ gbogbo ohun tó bá ń dùn mí, wọ́n máa rò fórí mi, orí mi là mí o, ìwọ lálágbọ̀rọ̀dù. Note this down. This is to let you to know that ÉSÚ is not Satan. Ajogun is called Satan. The Ajogun are the evil spirits that destroys humans' life, not ÉSÚ. ÉSÚ used to guide human beings, teaches us how to pray to protect ourselves from satanic demons called the Ajogun. We can call ÉSÚ a guardian angel that helps man, supports man to achieve whatever one wants to achieve in life. Akapo did not pay anything to ÉSÚ in return. But if it is Ajogun, he will collect more than what he has given to Akapo. Ṣé kò wá sí àtọ̀ láàrin ẹni tó ní kẹ́ ẹ borí kẹ́ ẹ lè là àtẹni tó ní kẹ́ ẹ lọ múyàn wá kóun kẹ́ ẹ fi ṣògùn owó kẹ́ ẹ tó là? Thank you for watching. Watch out for episode 8. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to enjoy more of the Yoruba history. Thank you very much.